In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and send an e-certificate in Google Forms. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. This is an incredibly helpful process, particularly for educators and anyone looking to automate the distribution of certificates. So let's dive right in and make this as smooth as possible. First things first, you'll want to head over to your Google Drive. This is the starting point for our entire process. Once you're in your Google Drive, look for the App section. This is usually located in the upper right area of your screen. You'll see all your various Google applications here, and it makes it really easy to navigate. Next, go ahead and click on the Forms icon. If you're not familiar with Google Forms, let me tell you, it's a powerful tool. With Google Forms, you can create surveys, quizzes, and, in our case, a streamlined way to distribute those certificates. Go ahead and select the form that you've prepared for your participants. This form could be about any subject, perhaps a quiz or an evaluation that your students will take. Once you're in the form, the next step is to find the Add-ons menu. Add-ons are external tools that enhance the functionality of Google Forms, making them much more versatile. For our purpose, we're going to utilize a specific add-on called Certify. If you haven't used Certify before, it's super simple to install it from the add-on store. Just search for Certify right in the add-ons section and follow the prompts to add it to your Google Forms account. Once Certify is installed, you should be able to see it listed in your Add-ons menu. Go ahead and click on Certify to open up its features. The first thing you'll want to do is turn on the Certify functionality for your form. This step is crucial as it integrates the entire certificate distribution process directly into your form. Now that we have the functionality turned on, you'll see some controls pop up. Click on the Show Controls option to access more specifics related to Certify. This is where we'll get into the nitty-gritty of certificate settings. You'll need to set your average score threshold. This is essentially the score that participants need to achieve in order to receive a certificate. It allows you to ensure that only those who meet a certain standard are awarded. After that, you'll have the option to choose a certificate template. Certify gives you the flexibility to select from existing templates, or if you have a specific design in mind, you can upload your own certificate design directly from your computer. Once your Certify setup is complete and you're happy with how everything looks, you're ready to distribute the form. Send the form link to your students or participants, and the beauty of this